Hosa PWC-143R. Right angle IEC C13 to NEMA 5-15P power cord, 3 feet. This cable is designed to connect an electrical appliance with a C14 inlet to line power. A right angle IEC C13 inlet makes it ideal for use behind equipment racks. As one of the leading suppliers of analog and digital connectivity solutions to the musical instrument, broadcast, theater, and professional audio-video industries, Hosa products are manufactured to meet or exceed the demands of today's professional. Oxygen-free copper, OFC, conductors for lower resistance and increased current flow. Black PVC jacket for durability, flexibility, and low visibility on stage. Intended for use in North America and nations. Specifications. Length, 3 feet. Connectors. Right angle IEC C13 to NEMA 5-15P. Model. PWC-143R. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent right angle power cable. This is an excellent right angle power cable. High quality and only 3 feet long. Allows your PC to sit closer to the wall, saving space in the front. And reduces clutter with the short length.